Oh, that's a good spot right there.
Yeah? Where's the rock at? What kind of rock on
Yeah, I think I see a wave in the pavement out there. Might be something moving. You don't do no kind of twitch or anything like that? Let's give it another one. We gotta get a better chance. Hit the yellow pole. There's probably something sitting down there. This is rock fishing in Florida. I would twitch it or try to make it look alive or something. It looks like a dead piece of rubber dragging across the pavement.
That's what it is. It was never alive.
What do you think about that other pole over there? Maybe the telephone pole. We're not even catching a rock.
No, because I don't want to hit the line.
Yeah, let's go high then. Whatever you got to do, you better use your imagination to pull in something. Litter. Shoot for the litter. Here it comes. I knew something would come your way. It's that can right there.
No, I don't want to get messed up with the line. See the line's upstairs? Swimming away.
Yeah, we're gonna lose that one.
They're not even filming.
Yeah. Well, it was worth a shot. Maybe next time we'll get a rockfish.
Yeah.
Thanks, Sir Thomas.